How to turn off AI overview in Google Chrome. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Google Chrome application and then sign in to your account. Once that's done, tap on the three dot, scroll down, then tap on settings. Inside here, scroll down, then tap on search engine. After that, tap on manage search engine and site search. Scroll down to site search, tap on add. Now, for the name, you want to go ahead and simply enter Google Web. And now for shortcut, you can simply type in @web. And inside the URL, you want to go ahead and simply type in this URL right over here. After that, you need to go ahead and simply click on add. And once it is added, you need to go ahead and simply find Google Web. Tap on this three dot and just like that, simply tap on make default. Now open up a new tab and then type your search into your address bar. Google search will now open without showing the AI overview. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.